Hi everybody, my name is Lauren Dowd, and this was my first time attending a basic workshop with PSYCH-K with Robin, which has been phenomenal. I was introduced to PSYCH-K by a friend who took the workshops, and we worked together with some balancing in the PSYCH-K. So I was really intrigued because the little bit that we did together really made small differences instantaneously. So I knew this was something that not only did I want to experience for myself, but I want to be able to help facilitate with other people, because something that is so, it entails so much, but you don't have to know so much to be able to do this. You don't have to know the science behind it all. Just to really change your subconscious limiting beliefs is really amazing. So anybody who is even on like the verge of should I not, is it really life-changing? 3 days, you're gonna meet amazing people. I came by myself, and I feel like I'm gonna go home with new friends to work with. So enjoy.